Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you a complete guide on how to update content on your WordPress website. Whether you're a beginner or just need a refresher, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to keep your site fresh and engaging. Let's dive in. Log into WordPress first, open your web browser and head over to WordPress. At the top right corner, you'll see the login button. Click that. For a faster and more secure experience, select Continue with Google. Make sure you choose the Google account linked to your website to avoid any login issues. Access the Post section once you're logged in. You'll land on your WordPress dashboard. On the left-hand menu, click on Posts. Here, you'll see a list of all your published and draft content. This is where you can manage everything from blog posts to updates. Edit your post. Next, find the post you want to update and click Edit. Now you can review your text, swap out images, or adjust formatting. This is a perfect chance to improve clarity, fix mistakes, or make your post more visually appealing. Save your changes. After you've made your updates, hit the Save button in the top right corner. Double check the editor to confirm that all your changes appear correctly. WordPress makes it super easy to ensure your content looks exactly how you want it. Keep your content up to date, and that's it. By regularly updating your content, you'll keep your website engaging, accurate, and fresh for your visitors. This simple process empowers even beginners to manage a professional-looking site effortlessly. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped you, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more WordPress tips and tutorials. Keep your website thriving, and I'll see you in the next video.